Namhlanje I will open a door that was never meant to be open. Namhlanje I will reveal iqiniso that you were never meant to know. Sawubona ngiye ngizokuthiwa the truth shall set you free. So lalela mntu omnyama. If you are not ready for this video, dlula. And for those who decided to stay, asiqale. Once upon a time, a long time ago, we had laba sizobabiza ngama-founding fathers. You see, ama-founding fathers abesekhathele ukuhlupheka, abesekhathele ukuphanta, and they needed to do something ezokwenza sure ukuthi i-bloodline yabo, generations upon generations, the only thing abazoyazi is i-wealth ne-luxury, abasoze baphante, abasoze bahlupheke. And so they sat down, bacabanga ukuthi bazokwenza njani. One day, ama-founding fathers decided ukubiza meeting, and bahlangana bonke kule meeting kwakhulunywa indaba yokuthi sizophuma kanjani kule nhlupheko. And so they decided to go in search of i-grimoire of uSeta Phayi, the chosen one. Babazi ukuthi if they can get i-grimoire of uSeta Phayi, bazokwazi ukuthi babize uNkulunkulu wabo, bakhulume nabo mase yabasiza abakhiphe kule nhlupheko. Babheka bazi bayithola i-grimoire of uSeta Phayi, and then they were able ukuthi babize uNkulunkulu wabo, bahlala phansi noNkulunkulu wabo bamcela ukuthi for as long as kukhona a generation of ingane zabo abafuni baphinde leyo generation zazi inhlupheko, for as long as kukhona umphefumulo ophuma from i-generation yabo uzokwazi uchizi kuphela. And uSeta Phayi agreed ukubasiza and made that promise kubona, and bona they promised uSeta Phayi into eyodwa. For as long as kukhona umuntu osizwa wena through us nale deal esisayina nawe, they will see no evil. Kusho ukuthi angeke bakhulume ukuthi basizo wena bayakwazi. They will hear no evil. Ngeke balalele anything from anyone besides wena, sizwa wena kuphela. They will speak no evil. Asoze bakhulume ngawe ukuthi you exist. Finally, they signed the contract ebabindayo to uNkulunkulu wabo. After all of that, ama-founding fathers, they formed a group bayibiza ngama-Freemason. Omunye umuntu uzoyibuza ukuthi yini ama-Freemason. Understand ukuthi Freemasonry is one of the world's oldest and most secretive fraternities with 6 million members worldwide as of 2025. South Africa alone is estimated to have over 10,000 active Freemasons spread around Johannesburg, Durban, Cape Town, Pretoria, all over, and ba-influence everything from business, law, politics, the entertainment industry. Understand ukuthi the average annual membership fee like South Africa ranges from 7,000 to 12,000 per member, depending on the lodge le uhambayo. And bona like South Africa, they have about 10,000 members already. I understand ukuthi i-Freemasonry isonto kumele ukhokhe 7,000 or 12,000 just ukubajoyina. Uzothola iBhayibheli lakhona, uzothola iringi esho ukuthi usuyimember. Omunye umuntu uzocomplaina kuma-comment athi imali engaka just ukujoyina isonto. I understand. Lelia Sonto has so many levels, Lelia Sonto has so many secrets, but for now, let us focus on these stages. He entered apprentice, he fellow craft, ne master mason. Once when you become a full member, understand ukuthi this is the attire ekumele uyigqoke, and awukwazi ukuyigqoka noma ikephi. Uyigqoka mawukuthi uya kwi-temple or i-lodge yabo to show irrespect to bona noNkulunkulu that you have pledged impilo yakho to yena. Like I said, there are so many stages, there are so many parts to being a Freemason member. Kodwa mina now we are gonna focus on the center part. Le part ethandwa abantu, le party le yasicenter, it includes fame, it includes imali, it includes the power. It's the one thing umuntu omnyama is attracted to. It's the one part of Freemason egcwele abantu abamnyama kakhulu. But kwenye video we will focus on the leather and understand ama levels akhona. But for now, let us focus kule thandwa yimina nawe, which is power, imali, fame. Hlakanipha-ke mntomnyama and understand ukuthi once a member reaches i-3rd degree, he is allegedly invited to the circle, a private network where ama-investors, business deals, political favors are traded. La South Africa, some say that i-mining industry, ama-mining rights, ama-tenders, i-media control, everything ukwazi ukuyithola once you reach i-3rd degree ye-Freemason, once you are part of the circle. So, uplani wama-founding fathers succeeded because i-Freemasonry church became the biggest church emhlabeni. Understand ukuthi uplani wabo wokucela uNkulunkulu ukuthi abaxoshele i-poverty succeeded because everyone who is under leli sonto is very successful, is very rich. Understand ukuthi uma ufisa uphumelele empilweni kumele kube ukuthi udlulile kuleli sonto, especially if ufuna i-position of power like ukuba i-president. Bakwazi ngisho ukufaka uGibson Makhanda. Understand ukuthi uGibson Makhanda wengeke abe yipresident engadlulanga esontweni le-Freemasonry. Former President Thabo Mbeki was also a member of i-Freemason, and if ungiphikisa, then why ifake iringi yabo? Le ringi wayifaka until the end of i-presidency yakhe, and nobody knew, futhi nobody asked ukuthi yini eyenzekayo ngale ringi, because nobody knows the truth ukuthi masuyimember unikwe iringi that is specially catered ukuthi sikubone in a crowd full of people, uzoveza iringi sikubone ukuthi you are one of us. Ingelosi is-Aram Senkosi, uDesmond Tutu, was also a member of the Freemason Church, allegedly. Let's go back asibuyele emuva. Uthini umthetho wa-Imhotep? See no evil. Hayibo, uthini umthetho? Hear no evil. Finally, eyokugcina ithini? Speak no evil. I-Ivy Sun, wekhumbula uma wakhe, urepresent uma wakhe. We mame, anazi lutho.